Have you ever wondered how loose tea leaves end up inside those tiny tea bags you use every morning? Millions of tea bags are produced every single day, and the process is much faster and more fascinating than most people realize. Here's how tea bags are made. Tea production begins on large tea plantations, where workers or harvesting machines carefully pick the youngest tea leaves and buds. These tender leaves contain the best flavor and aroma. Once harvested, the leaves are taken to a processing facility. They are first spread out on long racks to lose excess moisture. This step, called withering, makes the leaves soft and ready for the next stage. The leaves are then rolled by machines that gently crush them. Rolling breaks the cells inside the leaves, releasing natural enzymes that help develop tea's distinctive taste. For black tea, the rolled leaves are left to oxidize. During this process, the leaves slowly turn from green to dark brown as oxygen reacts with the natural compounds inside them. This is what gives black tea its rich color and bold flavor. After oxidation, the leaves are dried in large industrial dryers. The heat removes the remaining moisture, locking in the flavor and allowing the tea to be stored for long periods. The dried tea is then sorted using vibrating screens and air separators. Large whole leaves are separated from smaller broken leaves and fine particles. Interestingly, the tea used in most tea bags isn't made from whole leaves. Instead, manufacturers often use small pieces called broken leaf tea, fannings, or dust. These tiny particles brew much faster, making tea bags convenient for everyday use. Next comes the tea bag production line. Special food-grade filter paper is fed into high-speed machines. The paper is folded into a tube, while precise measuring systems dispense the exact amount of tea into each bag. The machine seals the paper using heat or ultrasonic technology, creating thousands of perfectly sealed tea bags every hour. For tea bags with strings and tags, another machine automatically attaches a cotton string and a small paper tag. This makes it easy to remove the tea bag after brewing. Every batch goes through strict quality control. Automated systems check the weight, seal strength and appearance of each tea bag to ensure consistency. Finally, the finished tea bags are individually wrapped or packed into boxes, sealed to preserve freshness, and shipped to supermarkets around the world. The next time you dip a tea bag into hot water, remember that it has traveled through a remarkable journey, from freshly picked leaves on a plantation to a carefully engineered product designed to brew the perfect cup in just a few minutes. If you enjoy discovering how everyday products are made, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what manufacturing process you'd like to see next.